Want to make sure you always snag the lowest price on Amazon? In this video, I will show you the top Chrome extensions for tracking price history and setting custom drop alerts. Now, let's get started. The first one is Keepa. Keepa adds a detailed price history graph right on every Amazon product page, showing Amazon's own price, third-party new and used offers over time. You can create personalized price drop and stock alerts so you'll know the instant an item hits your target. Next one is Camelizer. The Camelizer extensions link you to Camel's robust price tracking service. With one click, you see an item's full price chart and even can set email alerts for any future dips below your desired threshold. Next one is Honey. Best known for auto-applying coupon codes, Honey also offers Drop List, which watches the Amazon's product you choose and sends a notification when their price falls. No chart reading required. And finally, there is Price Blink. Price Blink automatically scans multiple retailers and coupon sites whenever you view an Amazon page, showing you instantly if you can get the same product cheaper elsewhere or apply an extra discount code. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.